Here we go, the MIKO humidifier. It's 1.2 gallon. It holds 1.2 gallon of water. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. So here we have it. Double hose. And as you can see, it just kicked on. It's on automatic right now. So when my humidity goes below 73-ish, it starts to kick on. So it likes to keep your humidity in like the 70s, 60s, high 60s, low 70s. So that's really great for plants, as you can see. And yeah, so it's a steal, guys. It's a steal. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a steal. Everything is fresh, brand new, as if it were brand new. But this is actually a used one, and it came today about 1 or 2 p.m. It is now 12 a.m. and I've been running it ever since, and it's been doing its job. No complaints. For a used one, came double boxed, so good packaging and great stuff. Like I said, it's a steal. You don't get, this is actually about $100, but I got it for about 25. So it's actually a steal, and it's still brand new, as you can see. Everything on it works. Everything works. It comes with its remote. And it also has a mini brush inside. See, it's on automatic, so it turns off. So you see, my humidity goes above 73, it shuts off. Once it hits 73, it shuts off. So that's pretty cool. It's on automatic right now. And it also has a timer, so you can know you don't have to bother your plants while they're sleeping and stuff. Humidity's at 71. It kicks right back on. And the humidity is dropping so much because I have my tent open. But as you can see, it's perfect. It works perfect. Sensors work. Yeah. Great stuff, man. It's a steal.
Napupuno.